Hi beauties! Today I'm going to be showing you a simple LipSense removal tutorial. This is how you're going to take your LipSense off at the end of the day. We're going to be using our oops remover and a cotton pad to remove our LipSense. So I personally get at least 12, if not 18, 24 hours of wear out of my LipSense. But I want to know, how long do you get? Tell me in the comments. First thing you want to do is make sure you don't have any gloss left on your lips. The gloss will actually make it harder for the oops remover to get in and break down the color. So I have not reapplied gloss all day, so I definitely don't have gloss on my lips. But if you do, just take a washcloth or a cotton pad or anything really and just wipe off that extra gloss. So I want to get that gloss off. Next, we're going to take our oops remover and we're going to apply it all over our lips, just like you would with your gloss. You're gonna wanna get some warm water running so that you can use that with the cotton pad to wipe off the LipSense and the oops remover. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds, so let's get to rubbing. You're gonna dip your cotton pad in the water or run it under some warm water. You want this to be nice and wet. You don't wanna take a dry paper towel or dry anything and try to wipe this off. It doesn't need to be saturated wet. It doesn't have to go all over your face. Just wet enough so that it takes the color off nice and easy. And then gently wipe your lips and you'll see all the color coming off. Some of the brighter, bolder colors, you might have to go back and do this again. It could be a two-step process depending on the color and how long you let the oops remover sit, bunch of different factors. But if you notice that you have a little color left or you notice that there's any stick to your lips, then you might need to go back and do this step all over again. Which is totally fine. I wear a lot of bright, bold colors, so typically I have to do this twice. Thank you for watching my LipSense removal tutorial. For more videos just like this, subscribe to my channel below. Thanks for watching.